David Çıraciyan was born March 21, 1839, died 1907. He was a prominent Ottoman painter of Armenian descent. The oldest of Çıraciyan's paintings date back to the later half of the 19th century. The Çıraciyan paintings from the 1890s employ typical and picturesque scenes of Istanbul as subjects. These were also subjects used by the contemporary Ottoman artists of Istanbul such as Garabet, Yazmaciyan and Mgirdic Civanyan. The Maiden's Tower, Rumeli Hisarı Peer, Küçüksu Summer Palace, Bosphorus from the Hills of Anadolu Hisar, Seraglio Point, and Topkapı Palace, Buyukdere. The hills behind Rumeli Hisar and Yenikoy are the locations that are most common in Çıraciyan's paintings. David Çıraciyan's paintings are generally brighter and more colorful than his contemporaries, with the domination of pale blues. It has been observed Çıraciyan used photographs as a basis for his settings of his compositions. He also used these photographs directly as a background for his paintings.